If painful bladder and urinary tract infections are affecting your quality of life, Sweet Cure's Waterfall D-Mannose offers a fast and effective treatment that keeps your bladder healthy. Urinary tract infections happen when the bacteria, Ecoli, gets into the bladder looking for a place to lodge. Waterfall D-Mannose clings to Ecoli, keeping it suspended in the urine and enabling the bacteria to be flushed from the body. Waterfall D-Mannose is 100% natural. It is a monosaccharide or sugar found naturally in the body, and because it is pure and chemical free, it doesn't have any side effects. Safe and easy to use, Waterfall D-Mannose works both as a treatment or it can be used long-term for daily maintenance. Waterfall D-Mannose comes in tablet form or a powder that can be added to food and drinks. Simply order online where you'll find everything you need to know about Waterfall D-Mannose, a safe, fast and effective treatment to keep your bladder healthy.